Hello and welcome, MCO community. I wish you all a great weekend, a great Sunday, actually. We want to take a look at the VeChain chart. First of all, bigger picture, larger time frame. Here, VeChain also has suffered. We can see it after the Monday drop. The price dipped, broke initial micro support, and I had to relabel because, what I initially thought that this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This way it would be too deep for a wave 4. However, as long as the pullback is corrective and in 3 waves, it could still give us one more high. And I'm still watching for one more high. But that doesn't mean that on the local time frame we have a confirmed upside reversal, right? Because we don't. So while I'm very open to the idea that we could get essentially one more high in this yellow scenario, and the yellow count is my preferred interpretation, I am not convinced that the price has formed a local low. So I think we still need to be a little bit on the side of caution there, because the price could still form one more low, hit maybe the 2.8 cent level, or even test the August lows of last year. So that's actually a strong support level. We had support there around 1.9 cents, August, September, November. But the pullback so far is in 3 waves. So as long as we don't have a break of support in 5 waves, the door to higher prices remains open. Maybe not very wide, but it remains open. The problem is that the move up that started here in 2023, when you could say the VeChain bull run began, well, it's a bit of a sad bull run really, but when it began, then this move up initially was an impulse. So I can identify 5 waves up. We also had a corrective pullback, but then we had a corrective rally and a corrective pullback. So we have back-to-back corrective price action after an initial 5-wave move. Well, the problem is that if this really is 5 waves, it can't be a wave W. I can obviously count it as 3 waves, right? It does work. So I have to do it in this scenario. So it's a W, X, Y, and the Y wave is an A, B, C. On top of that, you often get distortions on the smaller time frames and altcoin charts anyway. But this is the best option, I think. Alternatively, we're dealing with a diagonal structure, as in the white scenario. I don't believe that one, though. Okay. If a top is already in, as in the orange count, I need to see a break below the August low to confirm that. So for now, we are still in the support area, and as long as the 2.5 cent level is holding, I'm leaning towards the yellow count. Below that level, but above the August low, yellow is still possible, but we are kind of in no man's land. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can see micro support, where the first bounce from the Monday low. To be fair, most of these altcoin charts look very similar, okay, on the smaller time frames at the moment. We can say we have a wave 1 to the upside, we have a wave 2 pullback, but there is no impulsive reaction to the upside yet from the Friday low, the 7th of February. So this is all just corrective. We haven't even broken above the recent high. That is really the minimum I want to see in terms of upside signal, that the price breaks above the last swing high that formed here around 3.5 cents. And then overall, the price needs to work through this resistance area. We have 3.5 cents and 3.9 cents as key levels here, start and finish of the resistance area, or low and top of the resistance area, and then an upside breakout point at 4 cents. Again, overall here, this is the micro support area that needs to hold to keep the idea alive that the price could have formed a substantial low in this circle wave B on Monday. But as I said, I'm actually not convinced by it, because the rally also, like on many other crypto charts, was only a 3-wave move. We just can't trust these 3-wave patterns. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with. So the parameters are defined for the start of the week. That's what we need to be watching for. You should also know the bearish alternative, which is helpful. And if the price can break out to the upside, then the next upside target would be around the 4.6 cent level, which is the 100% extension. But yellow wave 3 should even go a bit higher. But let's first see if the price can form an upside reversal anyway, because at the moment, the reaction to the 61.8 retracement level there lacks conviction. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.